before machines become legends, they are born from energy, precision, and passion.
The Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is not just a car, it is a symbol of raw American muscle, power, and performance engineering that has defined generations of automotive culture. The Shelby name comes from Carroll Shelby, a legendary American race car driver and designer who transformed the standard Ford Mustang into a high-performance beast. The first Shelby Mustangs were introduced in the mid-1960s when Ford collaborated with Shelby American to create a more aggressive, race-focused version of the Mustang that could dominate both the streets and the track. Over the years, the Shelby GT500 evolved into one of the most powerful and respected muscle cars in the world, combining extreme horsepower, bold design, and track-level performance. The modern Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 represents the peak of this evolution. Powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, it produces over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built. Every part of this machine is designed for performance, from its aerodynamic body kit, aggressive front grille, carbon fiber elements, and wide stance, to its precision-tuned suspension and advanced cooling systems. This is not just a car for driving, it is a machine built for dominance. In this cinematic transformation, we begin with a neglected Shelby GT500, covered in dust, dirt, and road grime, sitting silently under dim garage lighting. The camera slowly moves across its surface, revealing scratches, dull paint, and worn tires, showing that even a legendary machine can lose its shine over time. But today, we bring it back to life through a full, deep detailing process. We start with a thick foam wash covering the entire body of the car, breaking down layers of dirt that have built up over time. High-pressure water sprays remove the heavy grime, revealing the hidden beauty underneath. The wheels are carefully scrubbed to remove brake dust and restore their original shine. Every inch of the exterior is treated with precision and care. Next comes the hand wash process, using a...
Every machine has a story, and every transformation is a journey.